Good afternoon, this is Tina from Prime Mercedes here on Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. I want to thank you for your time, and I want to introduce you to the E43 2018 from Mercedes-Benz. You are looking at a beautiful Selenite Gray. We're going to start on that front end. This vehicle comes with a P3 package. It is absolutely loaded. You are putting out 384 horsepower, 396 pound-feet of torque. You've got this beautiful, intelligent lighting system. These lights shine brighter. They actually curve with the road. You've got that gorgeous diamond grille, Mercedes-Benz emblem proudly displayed. Look at that front end. It looks like it's gonna growl. This has a sport body package with an air suspension. Just gorgeous body styling on that. Very aggressive. You also have some wonderful features, it being a P3. You have an acoustic package in here, so your doors and your glass are heavily insulated. So you're gonna really enjoy that Burmeister sound system that's in there. This vehicle comes with easy entry, easy exit. As we come down along the line, I want you to notice, even though this is an E43, we are running all season radials on that. So this can be driven year round. Your tail lights, wrap around, beautiful stardust effect. Look at that gorgeous chrome detailing, your spoiler on the back, your AMG logo proudly displayed, dual exhaust. Let's pop the trunk. Tons of storage, easy release. You can lock the vehicle from the back, manual trunk closure. Let's take a look at the rear passenger. And some of the features that a Premium 3 is going to have for you is not only the intelligent lighting system, the adaptive high beam, you've got a cabin's fragrance system, you've got a rear sunshade in the back, you've got evasive steering, lane assist, brake assist, cross traffic assist, blind spot assist, pre-safe. Oh my gosh, it's even got a heads-up display. Let's take a look at the driver's side. So here you can see that Burmeister sound system. You can see your heated and ventilated seats. Nice little thigh extension. That beautiful nut brown interior. You've also got your lane keeping assist on this. Blind spot. Next, I'd like to take you inside and give you a tour of the interior. So we're inside, and the nut brown is just a beautiful complement to the Selenite Gray. And I want you to take a look at this metallic mesh weave dash here. Absolutely stunning. Really pulls in that diamond grille. Your little vents look like turbines here. Let's start this vehicle up. It is an AMG. We want to hear the engine. And this can be run in multiple modes. This can be run in an individual mode where you shift it like a manual, comfort. So if you want a nice luxury sedan, you can have it. Or I can even bring this vehicle into Sport Plus, and I can have a very, very racy vehicle. Now you're looking at your 12.3-inch display. We're looking at the navigation, high resolution. I'm going to bring you into the command center here. So you've got satellite radio, you've got Bluetooth, your seats have massage, they're rapid heating, you do have a warmth and comfort package on this. Tons and tons of options. Let me actually get into the vehicle here for you. Your light settings, you've got a beautiful ambient light display. We have acoustic locks, automatic folding side mirrors, door locks. I think the best thing now to do is take you for a quick tour around the dealership. Even the steering wheel on this is beautifully contoured. It resembles the 3 stars of Mercedes-Benz. It's got a beautiful leather accent, but where my hands actually grab the steering wheel are a really beautiful and comfortable suede material. Now here at Prime Mercedes, when you purchase a vehicle from us, you're going to get valet service loaner service. You are assigned a service advisor that deals only with your account. So you're not going to get handed off to multiple people. On Saturdays, we do free car washes. We can deliver your vehicle to you anywhere in New England. We have a hauler that will come to you, and every day we're getting beautiful new vehicles in. So I encourage you to give me a call on this gorgeous E43. My cell phone number is 207-229-2739. My name is Tina Pagano, and I am driven to delight.